In this video, I am going to show how you can run DSL OS in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So this is the DSL OS. So this OS is based on Linux, and this is the lightest version. Softwares and internet is perfectly working with Limbo PC Emulator. So let me just show you. So first of all, you have to download and install the Limbo PC Emulator application. There are a lot of videos on my channel, and the download link in the description. And the second thing, you have to download the DSL OS ISO file. Again, this download link in the description, and it will be in the 50 MB, so as you can see. And this is the lightest OS of the Linux. So after opening Limbo, just click to none, click to new, and give the machine name DSL OS. So I've created the machine as a DSL OS. Now you have to select the CPU cores. I'm selecting QEMU32. You have to select this core CPU model. It will depend on you. You can select the different one according to a smartphone. RAM will depend on your smartphone specifications. I am selecting about 700 MB RAM, and CPU cores I am selecting 4. So we have done with the CPU and boards. Scroll down. You have to select to the CD-ROM and just click to none, click to open. You have to open the DSL OS. I have told you to download. So as you can see, just now I've opened it. Scroll down, and in the network you have to, at first it will in the none, you have to just click to user, and here you have to select the PC net. I'm selecting the network card because this OS is perfectly working with the internet. Let me just show you after it booted. So boot from, you have to select the CD-ROM, and again scroll down. User interface, you have to select SDL. If you have another version of Limbo, you have to do the same settings in the Limbo. So as you can see, we have done all the settings in the Limbo PC Emulator. After, you have just to click to play button. So as you can see, the DSL OS has been started booting. Here you have to enable the keyboard and just click to enter. After clicking enter, it will start at booting. So as you can see, there are 4 penguins appear on the screen. This is the penguin. So it means this is the Linux logo, and I've already told you DSL OS is based on Linux. This is the another version of the Linux OS. So as you can see in the screen, it will loading and giving me all the hardware configuration. For loading, it will going to take some time, and it will giving me all the information about the hardware which I'm selected in the Limbo. So as you can see, processor, it will showing QEM version 4 cores. Mouse is PS2. So it's also detected the network device. I've already told you to select the network card. So as you can see, it will showing here. So as you can see, the desktop has been started booting here. So this is the mouse cursor of this DSL OS. So as you can see, the finally DSL OS has been successfully booted in Android using Limbo PC Emulator application. So as you can see, this is the desktop of this DSL OS. While using the volume up button, you can use as a mouse. While using the volume button, you can get the more options like a mouse. So as you can see in the screen. So now let me first show you the internet is working. So this is the, it's have preloaded softwares like Firefox. So this is the Dillo browser I am going to open and show you the internet is working or not. So So this is the browser. I am going to type the Google website. So as you can see, the internet is perfectly working. Make sure the internet connection is available in your Android. It's maybe a mobile data or Wi-Fi. So as you can see, the Google is loaded in this browser. Now let me just search anything in this. Let's check whether is Google is fully working or not. So as you can see, Google is perfectly working, and as you can see, it show all the results of the Google search engine. So as you can see, so the internet is perfectly working with this. You can use any website in desktop version with this Linux. A lot of people commenting on my videos to show a best OS for hacking. So Linux is the best OS for hacking, and as you can see, all the Linux versions is perfectly working in Android with Limbo PC Emulator, and the internet connection is also perfectly internet also work perfectly with every Linux. So I recommend all of you to use the Linux OS for hacking, and there are a lot of tutorial videos on the internet. You can find how to hack anything with Linux. There are a lot of videos. I have shown you the internet is perfectly working. So let me just open any software, and I'm going to open this Paint software. So as you can see, this is the Paint software successfully opened here. So as you can see, this Paint software is perfectly working. So let me just close this software. The internet and the software is perfectly working. So as you can see in the screen, this is the DSL OS perfectly working with internet and softwares. So it's have lot of preloaded softwares like a terminal. So I've already told you the Linux is best software for hacking, best OS for hacking. So terminal is the main thing, like CMD commands. With commands you can hack anything. So there are a lot of tutorial videos on YouTube you can check out. So as you can see, this is the DSL OS perfectly working in Android with using Limbo PC Emulator. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.